Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time here joining me. My name is Jessica. I am a mother of three. As you can tell by the stark black background, if this is you coming on back, I put a backdrop. It's a black shower curtain. But I feel like it's better than having like my closet, my beds, my dressers, my door. I really didn't like having that in my background. So I mean, if you guys prefer just the all black background, or should I do like a lighter background, let me know in the comments your suggestions. But keep in mind, I'm a broke bitch, so yeah. But for today's video, we have this beautiful green look. I cannot remember the name of the beautiful girl who created this, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert her Instagram page right here. This is a recreation, so of course shout out to the creator. So if you are curious to see how I created this beautiful mossy green look, then you already know what to do. Please just keep on watching. Going to be going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2 as always. Going in with my Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I'm going to start by taking this green right here called Forest. And I'm just going to take this on a Luxie 231 brush. I'm really just going to put this into the shape that I want. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Clay. So now I'm just going to take this shade and start buffing out the green with it. I'm going to take a little bit of khaki, and I'm going to put this in between the shade Forest and the shade Clay. I'm just going to blend this into those colors. This color is kind of like it's khaki, you know, it's kind of like a brownie shade. So I didn't want to put this directly under the green because I didn't want it to turn like brown. I wanted it to be a shade of green, if that makes sense. And lastly, I'm going to take Bamboo. I'm going to take this very lightly, a very fluffy brush, and really smoke this out. So now I'm going to go through and deepen everything up. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of Black Beach. And I'm just going to deepen this up. Okay, so now that that is blended to the gods, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease with some Vaseline, and I'm going to go ahead and lay down this crisp finish base, and this one is in Tangy Teas. I was going to go in with like a plain base, but I feel like it makes just the slightest difference under the shimmer, so I'm going to go in with this one. If you don't have this, go in with a blank base. Now I'm going to be going into my Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to take the shade UFO. This shade is better for the look that I was going for rather than the one that was in the Carnival palette. That just wasn't the green I was looking for at the moment. I'm going to take some of my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2, and I'm going to make this circular. So I'm trying to keep it round, obviously. Then I'm going to go in with more of the shade Forest mixed in with a little bit of the shade Black Beach. And then I'm just going to start packing this on. And then after I get it done, I'm just going to use the shadows to shape this perfectly. So now that the eyes are just about done, obviously still have to add my lashes and do under my eyes, but I'm actually really happy with how this came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and then we can come back and finish off the eyes. Okay, so my face is done, and I went ahead and I did under this eye because I wanted to make sure that it looked good before I did it. I'm essentially going to take the majority of the same colors. I'm going to start by taking Forest. I'm just going to blend that out right under my eye. And then I'm going to take clay. Then I'm going to take a little bit of khaki. And I'm going to take bamboo on a big fluffy brush. Alright, I think that just about does it as far as the eyes go. Where are my lashes? So my style of lashes today is going to be the Cavalli lashes in the style Carly, in the style in the style Carly. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw these lashes on, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my lippy on and fix my bangs, and then we can come back and see the finished look. I don't know why I paused like that. All right. Well, here is the completed look. So my lippy combo, I have the LA Colors lip liner in natural, and then I put, oh, and I dropped the most expensive one. And then I have my Hank and Henry matte lipstick. This is from their Sex Talk collection, and I put the shade Lust right in the center. And then just to give it a little, I have the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in Wifey. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I love doing really mossy green looks like this. 420 blaze it. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.